Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix contact key verification is not available in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and facing this type of issue that you're in your Apple ID settings, you might see the error which is contact key verification is unavailable or is not working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection, and you can also try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then go to your channel, go to software update. How to make sure that you're up to date. There's no any pending updates for your software. If you might see, you just have to try to update your software. And here now you have to tap on your Apple ID and then tap on this contact key verification. Then tap on turn off. Tap on turn off again. Once you have turned off, you just have to try to enable this again. Then tap on this continue option. And here you have to tap on this show iMessage settings. Just tap on this. And then now on this screen, you have to try to sign in with your Apple ID. So just tap and use your Apple account for iMessage, then tap and sign in. So once you have done, you just have to wait for this verifying or the loading here. So once the loading has been completed, you must see this type interface here. You have to make sure that your iMessage is enabled and your send as received is set to your Apple ID or the mail address which you're using in your Apple ID. Once you have done, just go back from here. Now you just have to tap your Apple ID and just go to content key verification and now enable this again from here. Then have to continue, and here just wait for this loading and your issue will be fixed. Now you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.